suppose finding literature review a struggle? A lot of researchers are simultaneously working in the same field as you. And you need to keep yourself updated. You know, you have to incorporate the work that has been done previously, and you have to mention about the reference that you have taken if you adopted the same methodology or different. So today I'm going to talk about one of the methods that can help you reduce the hassle, and that is Google Scholar Alert. Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. It is an option from Google to update you on the literature that's recently published. So once you add this alert, Google Scholar will send you email of the topic that you chose, and it will send you email about the research that has been recently published in the field of your interest. So let's get started. First thing is, you go to scholar.google.com. Click on the three bars on the extreme left and click Alerts. It is that simple. Once you click it, it will direct you to the next web page asking what you want the alert about. Let's say you want to keep yourself updated about education research work. This topic is my recent interest, so I'm going to write that. Next, you can choose the number of results you want to see in one email. You have an option from 10 or 20. Usually 10 is fine because these publications will be new articles and they can send you an email sometimes more than once a week, and you can pretty much keep yourself updated on 10 articles for a week. Now this is the email address. You can change it if you want to use any other address, and good part is that you can use a different alert on different email addresses. I'm using this address just for the demo. And then click Alert. Done. Now let's add more. Productivity. Another thing I'm exploring. Now you can see the list of your alerts. You can cancel any alert at any point in time. I try to have cognitive science as an alert and not to burden my cerebral. As of now, I'm canceling the alert. Here is how you would receive email from Google Scholar, and you can view all the articles without the tedious work of spending hours researching yourself. Now I'm going to tell you another way of doing it. It is also as simple. Let's say you want to browse about water resources. Now if you want to keep yourself updated, on the left you have to create the alert, and voila! Here it says that you have received articles that have water resources in the title. Now choose the email address, choose the number of results, and create. It's like subscribing to a newsletter. As researchers, we need to optimize the time as much. We have to work in the most resourceful manner, and Scholar Alert is just one tiny bit. I have started using it and it has saved me a lot of time. Now there's another tiny bit within Google Scholar Alert that you can add, and it's called importing the citation. Here is how. Go to settings, and here in one of the last questions, you would see the link that shows import citations into some software. So if you're using one of the reference softwares, you can select from the options that are provided. EndNote is one of the renowned ones, so let's say I select EndNote and click Save, and done. It would go to your EndNote. One more thing for quick reachable research, and that is Scholar button. Get a Scholar button as an extension in your Google Chrome, and basically if you're researching something and you find a pretty good article and you want to know more about it, you click on the Google Scholar button and then you can search it there and then on scholar.google.com. So here is how it's done. Go to settings, click on button, and click the link placed below the illustration. You'll be directed to Chrome Web Store and simply add to Chrome. The button will pop up in seconds. Now if you click on the button, you would get this box to write your query. Now why is this optimal and beneficial? Let's see if you're studying an article and you found a pretty interesting portion. You can right away click on the button without even switching to another window. The results pop up right below the button box, and then you can choose if you want to go further. So you click on any of the papers and then it will direct you to the scholar.google page. So this was a short tutorial of getting Google Scholar Alert and how it can really optimize your research and be a tiny bit of your time-saving technique. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about the research work that can be done in the best optimal ways. Signing off.